last video, I taught you how to easily put your contacts in, so now I'm going to teach you how to easily take them out. Okay, so for taking your contacts out, all you need to do is with the hand that you're going to take the contact out, for me that's my right hand, you're going to pull your lower lash lid down, and with the other hand you're going to pull your upper lash lid up. So while you do that, with your index finger of the hand you're going to take the contact out, you're going to pull the contact down because it rests on the centre of the eye. So you're going to pull it down and you're going to rest your thumb in the corner of your eye. So as you pull it down, you're going to like scoop it out. If that makes sense? So you're going to scoop it out and it'll come out easily. Okay, so you're just going to pull your lower lash lid. My mirror's here, by the way. So you'll pull your lower lash lid down, upper eyelid up, and then you're going to place your thumb in the corner, pull the contact down, and then scoop it out. There, now I just took that. Okay, so I just took the contact out from my right eye. For my left eye, I'm going to show you a different approach of how you can do it. So with whichever hand you're going to take the contacts out, pull the lower lash lid down, and with the other eye, pull the upper lash lid up. So then, with your index finger, you're going to slide the contact to the outer corner of your eye. So you're going to slide it and then have the thumb at the corner and just scoop it out again. So I'm just going to show you how you do that. So pull the lower lash lid down, the upper lash lid up, then place your thumb in the corner of the eye and with the index finger slide it across and scoop it out. So yeah, now both the contacts have come out of my eye. Oh, I forgot to mention this before, but obviously make sure that your hands are clean, that you've washed them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and tap the bell, and also comment down below what other videos I should make next. So these are the methods that work best for me, but always make sure you consult your optician first. So thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!